All right, welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 6960 Casselberry Way, which is a stunning and modern 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, single-story house with a seamless open floor plan built in 1969 with 2,551 square feet on a corner lot here in the neighborhood where San Carlos meets Del Cerro, 92119. Okay, so this house is in the Green Elementary School boundaries, which scores a perfect 10 out of 10 on great schools for K through 5th grades and is an easy 0.4 mile walk away. It feeds into Pershing Middle School, which serves 6th through 8th grades and is just under 3 miles from the house, and Patrick Henry High School, which scores 9 out of 10 on great schools. It serves 9th through 12th grades and is a quick half-mile walk away. Hey, my name's Jesse Morrison. I'm gonna be walking you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows. And while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before getting started, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description section below where you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so we are on a corner lot here and you have this big, beautiful 3-bay garage. I love the windows on the front there to add some natural light in there. It's frosted glass. So as we make our way towards the front, look at the low maintenance, low drought or drought resistant, landscaping. Look at this big, beautiful entry, glass doors. And as we look up, you got natural light that comes through, and it's also covered right here by the door to keep you out of the elements. So you walk through the front door. I want you to notice the ceilings. Look at the beams. It's vaulted, all the lights. It goes up and down. It's just very unique. Look at how it opens up to the living space here. And this big kitchen with tons of cabinetry. You got another living space there. You got the dining, and all the bedrooms are down this hall. There is a half bath back there, and out in the back, there's a sauna, which I'll take you to towards the end of this video. But before we get there, let's look at the features of the front room here. This fireplace has is remote start. It's electric. You can just press this button there, and that's what turn it on. And the heat comes right out of these vents and pushes out. It's really that simple. So you just press this button again to turn it off. All right. I love the built-in shelves on either side of the fireplace. And this is what it will look like, looking out your front window. You got Cowles Mountain in the background right there, and then Lake Murray is over that direction. All right, so Patrick Henry is just on the rear side of the house. Look at all the space for seating. You got 4 seats here. You got this waterfall edge on I think that's quartz there. Look at the size of this big chef's stainless steel refrigerator. I love how flush it is to the cabinetry. So on this side is the refrigerator. It's all brand new. You can see the stickers are still in there. It's never been used. And then on this side is the freezer, which is about the same size as the refrigerator. So there's tons of freezers. And if you're anything like me, you're gonna need a lot of that freezer space with all your kids. So you got the built-in microwave here. You got a 6-burner stove the brands are Forno, and it's a matching set from the refrigerator, the stove, the dishwasher. So you got a full-size 6-burner stove. I like the pot filler here. Love that. You got floating shelves and a nice backsplash. And look at how tall the ceilings go up here as well. Okay, so over here we have a nice wide porcelain farmer sink. I love how these cabinets, you have a mixture of these cabinet doors as well as like the sliding drawers. And you're gonna see that this theme, this color scheme, and that design kind of, flow throughout the rest of the house. So take a look at this. They all have these soft closing, and look at how the top drawers have these extra little hidden pull-out drawers, which is a nice feature. Look at all the space along the island as well. Big, deep cabinets there for you can put a lot of those big appliances that you might have, or look how much space there is. All right, look at, as you notice how expansive everything is. You get the formal dining over there, and all the natural light just floods in through the house. You got these big windows all throughout. It's a beautifully done house. So again, like I said, we're gonna make our way out there a little bit later. But here's the half bath that serves, sorry, not as half bath, it's a full bath. It's one of the 4 full bathrooms. Notice the tile work on here. Look at all the texture on these tiles. It's very luxurious, almost looks like a wood, almost like a bamboo that goes up and down. I love the black hardware. Really ties everything together really well. Very modern. Look at the floors. This is a nice big living space over here as well. Even this light, I mean, look at the fixtures. Everything is super modern and just flows really well. All right, so here's the hallway. Recessed lighting throughout here. Here is a bedroom towards the front of the house. Okay. I like the ceiling fan here. These are laminate floors, I think, or luxury vinyl, I think. Over there's a 3-car garage, which we'll get to in a little bit. So this bathroom here services the bedrooms. You got another bedroom there. The master's towards the end of the hallway. Over here is the laundry room and another bathroom. All right, so let's start over here at this bathroom. All right, love this mirror with the lights around. Looks it's luxurious. It's kind of like being in a hotel, right? And then over here, you have all this natural light here, and you have the same textured wood tile with the black trim. I love that the theme, continues throughout the whole house. Okay. So here we have this room that is staged as an office, but it's, facing towards the side yard here. So look, so this is a pass-through bay in the third, the third bay of the garage, which I'll show you when we get out to the garage. Look at how wide this hallway is. It's probably like a 4-foot wide hallway, which is quite a bit larger, or quite a bit wider than a traditional hallway, which is usually like 3 feet. Again, this bedroom here also faces out towards the side yard, right? And then that's the master again, and here's another bathroom. This is the 3rd full bathroom that we've seen so far. Everything matches again. These walls have like a smooth texture finish, very light on the texture. It's very modern and pretty. Look at how massive this laundry room is. So the dryer goes there, it's gas, or you can do the electric plug there, and then the wash machine will sit right next to it. I like that it has a wash sink too, and you got a big flat top there that you can fold your laundry. You can keep all your, laundry cleaning supplies down there. All right, let's make our way into the master, which is so beautiful. Notice the recessed lighting, the ceiling fan. You got these heavy-duty glass doors in the back. It has its own mini fridge and wet bar there. Behind this wall is the closet, which we'll get to. This is like I think it's a Eastern king size bed, which is tons of space. Shows you how much space is in this room. And behind this wall, check out this closet. So much space that expands the entire width of the bedroom. We'll go back to that bathroom here in just a minute. Look at these built-ins here. Tons of drawers. Open shelves here. Plenty of space to hang your pants or for your shirts up top. You got spots for shoes and all that good stuff that you might have, right? So let's go to the master bath now. You got the toilet there. And again, notice the matching cabinets are. Look at how big this shower is. This shower is amazing. It is huge. Look how wide it is. It's like 5 feet deep by 7 feet wide. Plenty of space for two to shower at the same time. I love this little feature where you can pull it off. You got the big shower head there. Tons of space for your shampoos and stuff. You got the glass wall on this side. You don't even need a door on this side because there's just so much space. I love that these mirrors have this nice wood trim. You have the gold hardware here. Again, remember how these match with the kitchen? You got the doors and the pulls. Doors and pulls here. Open shelves underneath. And there's your toilet room right there. Awesome master ensuite bathroom there. These doors are super heavy duty. They open out on both sides there. So this will step back and show you what that looks like. Same thing opens on that side as well. So you can keep it all open looking out towards the back. So the backyard out this way, I believe is westward facing. Patrick Henry is right there. Let me zoom in there. So you can kind of see Patrick Henry, and then out there is, on a clear day, would be the ocean, or at least a sliver of it, towards Point Loma. All right, so a little bit of a peekaboo view of the water. All right, so again, that's that garage, that third bay. We need to get over there. I want to show that to you here. But look at how much sod, how grass space is out here in the backyard. And then you got a sitting area over here. And remember, right in front of us is where the living room is. That's the main living space right there, right? That's your kitchen over there. And then this door leads into a sauna, which is a really cool feature as well. So you have your own, private sauna in here. So if we just sit down here, this is what it would be like sitting in the sauna. All right. So I like these floors here, the tile floors out here. Okay, so let's just go check out that 3-bay garage real quick, and then we'll be finishing up with a tour. All right, it's this door that we haven't opened, the only door we haven't opened yet. All right, so making our way out to the 3-bay garage. Remember those frosted windows, you know, all that natural light, you got that, that 3rd bay goes right through, right to the side yard. And then you have like a utility closet right here to keep stuff, you know, out of sight. Right now they just have all the remodel stuff there right now. Good place to hide things. That takes you out to the side yard. The floors have all been redone. You got natural light, and that's your house. All right, thanks so much for touring 6960 Casselberry Way with me. If you found any of this information, you know, helpful or beneficial, please just make sure to hit that like button to support our channel. That way we can continue to make more content just like this. Again, my name is Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, go ahead and use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar. That way we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, you know, I recommend that you check out our most recent market update video. And don't forget to, you know, subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.